Now, as we are on the topic of feed rates, the next thing I would like to point out here is we've introduced Feedrate Optimization in our 2017 release. And this feature is part of our toolpath editor, and it's offered both in our Pro and Premium configurations of the product. So what I have here is a part program with a 2-axis profiling operation, and we'll take a look at how the Feedrate optimization can be applied in here. So as you double-click to launch the toolpath editor, you will now notice that under the Global Edits tab, you'll find Feedrate Optimization. As you select Feedrate Optimization, the Feedrate Optimization dialog provides you controls to establish feed rate reduction in the corners. For example, here, I could set the distance before a corner start to reduce the feed rate. So as I'm approaching this corner, I could say half an inch before I approach the corner, I would like to reduce the feed rate to 25% of my actual cut feed rate, and reset the feed rate back to the cut feed rate after going past half an inch from the corner. So you can apply the feed rate optimizations, and you can also ignore motions if they're shorter than a certain distance in here. So you can specify these parameters, and as you accept it, you will now notice that these changes are automatically reflected here in the toolpath editor, where it drops the feed rate and restores it back in here. And as you post-process your toolpath, you will notice that these are reflected in your posted code, where the feed rate is reduced to 25% of your actual cut feed rate. In this particular example, the cut feed rate is set to 40 inches per minute, and you'll see that it drops to 10 and then restores it back to 40. So the feed rate optimization is a great new enhancement and helps you in reducing the feed rates as you navigate the cutter around the corners. And this feature is offered in our Pro and Premium configurations, and it's part of the toolpath editor.
One other point on the feed rate optimization, we will be posting a blog article on this, a little bit more explanation on how feed rate optimization works. So please subscribe to our blog if you haven't done that already. Thank you.